Hello everybody, thank you for joining us today. So we're exploring Colorstrology. In our month of January, Colorstrology explores the colour caramel. So what does the colour caramel say? Well, we're going to do a corporate arrangement today. And it's, I guess you could say, it's a very simple arrangement. The earthy caramel and brown tones help to ground us and manifest our dreams. So what could be more appropriate for a corporate environment? And the Cymbidium orchid that I'm going to use today is a perfect choice for a corporate office or environment. They have a really long shelf life, so work out quite cost effective. So I'm using this beautiful Cymbidium orchid. Now this one's called Charly Brown. Unusually for orchids, has a fantastic fragrance. It's a shame you haven't got smelly vision because yeah, it's a really attractive fragrance. So this is Charly Brown. We've got a lovely cylinder vase. This is a 40 by 20 centimetre cylinder vase. And I also have a pot of gold pebbles here, or decorative stones. Okay, so I hope this inspires you to have a go yourself. So as you can see, the most simple arrangement ever to create. Got 3 top tips for you. So top tip number 1, although Cymbidium orchids do appear as though they're quite tropical, they actually do prefer to stay in a colder environment to promote longevity. So don't be afraid to place these in the cool once you've made them up. So top tip number 2, it's a really simple arrangement to create if you've got multiple arrangements to make for a function. They can be made 2 to 3 days in advance, or even longer if you're going to store them somewhere quite cold. And then they can be transferred to the venue exactly made up. So virtually no time on site, just literally place them. And top tip number 3, they'd actually make a really good centrepiece for a ball or a contemporary styled wedding. So simple, so quick and cost effective. So stay tuned for our next caramel themed arrangement, which is a freestyle vase arrangement. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like us and share us with your friends. And visit our YouTube channel for more inspirational ideas. And keep those comments coming. We'd love to hear what you think. All right, we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.